Welcome to Live Geekz once again. We are few days behind the launch of Samsung Galaxy S10, which is gonna make a massive change in the smartphone world. As the rumors say, Samsung Galaxy S10 will have 4 variants which will include a 5G version. Leakers say the phone will be bezel free with infinity O screen with the cutout in the panel for the front facing camera. Galaxy S10 may feature 4 cameras as 1 at the front and 3 at the back. And in S10 Plus, it will feature 12 cameras at the front and 4 in the back. As the top leakers say, the cutout for the front camera will not interfere with the user interface. But still, they say that the notification panel will get a bit bigger than the usual. Even the leakers expect that the Samsung will implement on-display fingerprint technology in S10, which will use ultrasonic technology. Courtesy to All About Samsung, which has published photos of 2 upcoming handsets from all angles, which gives a good look at the display and the camera setup as well as the existing headphone jack. It is also stated that the capacity of the battery will be increased compared to Note 9, which had a 4000 mAh battery. Subscribe to our channel and get to know about many other cool features.